As I'm walking along ba, feeling na ko kay mura ko nag-out of town because feeling na ko small bual karon.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi guys, how are you today? It's our first time. It's my first time to go outside after the declaration of enhanced community quarantine here sa city. And so what we're trying to do is to add more stocks sa ato ang konsumo sa balay kay hapit na mahurot. Not really hapit but other basic things like oil gamay na lang, and I think I also have to buy bread and egg. So muna siya tong buhaton today. So I'm just walking from my house to the supermarket. So see you later. So mingaw tayo ang streets, and of course kailangan ka mag-mask, and I have my quarantine pass para we're allowed to go out. And kay wala may sakyanan, we just have to walk. I don't know how to drive, so we just have to walk all the way towards one pavilion, which is about 1 kilometer away, and we'll see. Na checkpoint, so we have to prepare our quarantine pass, which is nara sa ato ang bulsa here. So yeah, so we have to fall in line to register. I don't know para saan siya, but we just have to follow the order. So social distancing, and thank you for this frontliners here. So we're done with the registration. So muna siya, every time you pass through a checkpoint, kailangan ka musulat sa ilang name and yung purpose asa kang padulong, just making sure nga you're going out for a reason, not just because wala na, trip lang ni mga gawas-gawas. And again, doon na kayo sa pavilion here, Sundance Tower, and just about 100 meters away is ang pavilion. Go see if asay mas daghan, if daghan tao ato ta diretso sa Guadalupe Market, and yeah, hopefully manageable ra. See you later. And so we're here sa one pavilion, and dili kay taas ang linya, so I guess we'll have to start here doing our grocery, and then after dire we'll go to Guadalupe Wet Market. Alright. Okay, so we're here inside and we'll start our shopping.
Okay, so we're done with our groceries and we're here outside ang pamalit, but I have my backpack kay ato i-transfer itong ipamalit para bilis siya hassle mag-bit-bit. So let's start transfer. Okay, so we're done with our groceries. I'm on my way home. I have one bag for the eggs and the rest are inside my backpack. So, mahina tag-baktas. Lakaw pa ulit.
Okay, so nihapit ko kadyot diri sa 7-Eleven because I feel exhausted. It's actually noon time and I'm just walking from Banawa towards from one pavilion to Paseo, and again, as I've mentioned earlier, it's about 1 kilometer or so, and noon time, init kayo, so I just have to freshen up or take refreshment for a bit. White Coke, aside from bugnaw siya, it's packed with sugar, and during these times I need sugar para bilit ma-exhaust. It can be converted into energy, so I can just take a sip. As I'm walking along feeling na hukay mura ko nag-out of town because mingaw kaayo ang dalan and bit-bit ko bugat on my back and alimot kayo, so it's like going out of town. Maybe feeling na ako small bual karon sa kainit sa kalimot and walking along the streets. So muna siya tong kahimtang today. See, dili siya totally ghost town, but very minimal vehicles and tao. So as I've said, it's noon time and alimoto siya kayo guys, but saan taman na naman dyan no life sakripisyo tagamay because this is not an ordinary time. Labang tagamay kay ato tag Julie's palit taog loaf bread para for snacks or breakfast for that matter. We'll see sa atong kahimtang ani diri. Okay, so we're here sa Julie's and there's like loaf bread. Ilang loaf bread? Duha. Tuluhan na lang tayo. Okay, that's 50 pesos. Got 3 for us, so para in about a week or so hindi na tayo magawas. Okay, so back to our walkathon. I'm almost there, halfway through ano tawagan para makabutas balay atong na lang atong lakwon. It's pretty much amazing, no? Okay. People normally don't do this, but with the current circumstance we're all in, we just have to make do of what's available and what are the options given to us. So muna siya. Again, gasoline stations are still open, but still cars, private vehicles, and government issued vehicles are still on the run. Wala lang mga jeep, so laban na sa diring bakita. Okay, so kita magsigna nga. We'll just have to see you again later when kabot ako sa balay. Okay? So, by the way, I'm supposed to ride a bike, take a bike, basta magbike ko, padulong sa pavilion. But it turns out flat ang digid, and I don't know na by vulcanizing shop anywhere at this given time. Maybe naa, but layo siguro sa amo ang location. So that's why I opted to walk na lang jud kay walay lain choice. And maybe, who knows, once this is all over, when we go back to our normal lives, maybe that's one thing that we can consider buying bicycles para magamit na to pohon. And it could also be a form of exercise sa ato ang thigh and legs. So kana siya. But again, walay choice for now. I have to walk. People have to walk. Walay jeep, walay public transportation available. So, I guess that's it for now. Wala pa ako nakabot sa balay, but I guess I had to end this vlog. Kaya taas ng kaayo. Thank you so much for tuning in, and hope you all take care. Always keep safe. Bye.